Hey, Bunie.
Hi, Kay. You look happy today.
I am happy. It is Friday.
Yes, Friday feels good.
Do you have weekend plans?
Not yet. I am thinking. How about you?
I have a few ideas. I want to go out.
Go out where?
Maybe a cafe, maybe a small trip.
A small trip sounds nice.
Do you like weekend plans or no plans?
I like a little plan, not too strict.
Same. I like freedom, but I also like a simple plan.
What is your first idea?
Saturday morning, coffee and breakfast.
That is always a good start.
Then we can go to a park.
Walk and take photos?
Yes, walk, talk, and relax.
I like that. The park is calm in the morning.
Do you want to join me?
Maybe. What time?
Around 9 a.m.
9 a.m. is okay, but I wake up slowly on weekends.
Then 10 a.m.
10 a.m. is perfect.
Great. We can meet at the cafe near the park.
Which cafe?
The one with the big window.
Oh, yes. They have good pancakes.
And good iced coffee.
I want a nice latte.
I will get an Americano.
Sounds good. After breakfast, we walk to the park?
Yes. We can also sit on a bench and people watch.
People watching is fun.
We can say, that person looks busy.
Or, that dog is so cute.
Or, that kid is running so fast.
Kay, you are funny.
Thanks. So Saturday morning is set.
What about Saturday afternoon?
I was thinking about shopping.
Shopping for what?
Just simple things. Snacks, a new t-shirt, maybe a gift.
A gift for who?
My sister. Her birthday is soon.
Oh, that is nice. What does she like?
She likes cute things in simple colors.
Like white, beige, and light brown?
Yes, very calm colors.
Maybe a small bag or a scarf.
A scarf is good, but it is hot these days.
True. Maybe a small wallet.
A wallet is a good idea.
Or a nice notebook.
She loves writing. A notebook is perfect.
See? We already found a plan.
You help me a lot.
That is what friends do.
Do you want to go shopping with me?
Maybe, but I also need to do laundry.
Laundry on the weekend is real life.
Yes, real life is not always fun.
We can do shopping first, then laundry.
Or laundry first, then shopping.
Which is better?
If I do laundry first, I feel free after that.
Good point. Then you can enjoy shopping more.
Yes, I do not want to think about laundry all day.
Okay, do laundry in the afternoon, shopping in the evening.
Evening shopping is nice, less hot.
And we can get dinner too.
Dinner is the best part.
What do you want for dinner?
Something easy. Maybe noodles.
Noodles sound great.
Or Korean BBQ.
Korean BBQ is fun, but it can be expensive.
True. We can choose a simple place.
How about street food?
Street food is exciting.
We can try grilled chicken, skewers, and fruit juice.
And a sweet dessert at the end.
Like mango sticky rice.
Yes, that is my favorite.
Okay, Saturday evening shopping and street food.
I like that plan.
Now, what about Sunday?
Sunday feels like a rest day.
Yes, Sunday is for relaxing.
But I still want to go out a little.
Me too. Maybe a movie.
A movie is nice. What kind of movie?
A comedy. I want to laugh.
I also want a comedy. Life is serious enough.
True. Or we can watch a movie at home.
A home movie day sounds cozy.
We can buy popcorn and snacks.
And wear comfy clothes.
And pause the movie anytime.
That is the best part.
But going to the cinema is fun too.
Yes, the big screen is exciting.
Let's check the schedule on Sunday morning.
Good idea. If there's a good movie, we go out.
If not, we stay home.
Perfect. I like flexible plans.
Me too. Kay, can I ask you something?
Sure.
Do you like busy weekends or slow weekends?
I like one busy day and one slow day.
Same. Saturday can be busy, Sunday can be slow.
That balance is perfect.
Also, I want to do something healthy this weekend.
Like what?
Maybe a short workout or a yoga class?
Yoga is great.
Do you want to try yoga with me?
I'm not very flexible.
It's okay. Yoga is not about being perfect.
That sounds nice.
We can do a simple class on Sunday morning.
Sunday morning yoga, then a movie later.
Yes, that is a good Sunday.
What time is the yoga class?
Around 8 a.m.
8 a.m. is early for Sunday.
True. Then 9 a.m.?
9 a.m. is perfect.
Great. We can do yoga for 1 hour.
Then we can get brunch.
Brunch. I love brunch.
What do you want for brunch?
Eggs, toast, and fruit.
Simple and healthy.
And maybe a small cake.
That is not healthy.
It's healthy for my heart.
Okay, one small cake.
Deal. Let's talk about details.
Okay.
Saturday, 10 a.m., meet at the cafe near the park.
Yes, I will be there at 10.
What if you are late?
I will text you.
Good. What will you say?
I'm sorry I'm running late. I will be there in 10 minutes.
Perfect.
What will you reply?
No problem. Take your time.
Great.
After coffee and breakfast, we walk to the park.
We can walk for 1 hour.
Or 2 hours if the weather is nice.
If it is too hot, we can go inside a mall.
Good backup plan.
Then Saturday afternoon, I do laundry.
And I look for a gift for your sister.
Your sister.
Yes, my sister.
Sorry, I said it wrong.
That's okay.
Then Saturday evening, we meet again for shopping and dinner.
Yes, maybe at 6 p.m.
6 p.m. is good.
We can walk around the night market.
I love the night market.
We can look at clothes and small items,
And try drinks.
like milk tea.
Yes, but not too sweet.
You always say that.
Because I do not want sugar shock.
Okay, 30% sugar.
Yes, 30% sugar.
And less ice?
Yes, less ice, please.
You order like a pro.
Thanks.
Then Sunday, 9 a.m., yoga class.
Yes.
After yoga, brunch at a nice place.
Then we decide about the movie.
Exactly.
Kay, what about your family? Do you visit them on weekends?
Sometimes. This weekend, I will call my parents.
That is good.
I usually call them on Sunday evening.
What do you say on the phone?
I say, "Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. How are you?"
Simple and sweet.
Then I ask, "How was your week?"
Nice.
And I say, "I miss you."
Aw, that is warm.
Do you call your family?
Yes, I call my sister too.
What do you talk about?
We talk about food and work.
Food is always a big topic.
Yes, we say, what did you eat today?
That is a great daily question.
It feels close, even when we are far.
True.
Also, I need to clean my room this weekend.
Cleaning is part of weekend plans too.
Yes, I want my room to feel fresh.
You can play music while you clean.
Good idea.
And you can take breaks.
Yes, I will clean for 20 minutes, then rest for 5 minutes.
That is a smart system.
Kay, do you ever feel tired on weekends?
Yeah, sometimes.
Me too.
When I feel tired, I cancel plans.
Do you feel guilty?
A little, but rest is important.
Yes, rest is part of self-care.
Exactly.
But going out can also give energy.
True, fresh air helps.
A short walk can change your mood.
And good food can change your mood too.
Yes, food is powerful.
What is your comfort food?
Hot soup.
Like chicken soup?
Yes, or noodle soup.
Mine is pizza.
Pizza is always good.
Maybe we can eat pizza on Sunday evening.
That sounds fun.
We can order delivery and relax.
Yes, a calm ending to the weekend.
Bunie, let's practice some simple weekend phrases.
Okay,
What are you doing this weekend?
I'm going out with a friend.
Do you want to join?
Sure, what time?
Let's meet at 10.
Sounds good. See you then.
Great.
Let's do another one.
Okay. Do you have any plans?
Not really. I want to relax.
How about a movie?
That sounds nice.
Perfect.
Kay, I want to ask about Saturday night.
Okay.
What if the night market is too crowded?
Good question.
I do not like big crowds.
Then we can go to a quiet restaurant.
Yes, a small restaurant with soft music.
Or we can go earlier, like 5 p.m.
Earlier is better, less crowded.
Okay, 5 p.m. on Saturday.
Great, and we can leave early too.
Yes, we don't need to stay late.
I like that.
What about transportation?
I can take the bus.
I can take a motorbike.
Be careful.
I will.
It might rain this weekend.
If it rains, we bring umbrellas.
And we can choose indoor places like a mall, a museum, or a bookstore.
A bookstore sounds amazing. We can spend 1 hour there.
Or 2 hours.
We can look at English books too.
Yes, simple English stories.
That is perfect for learning.
We can buy one small book each.
I like that idea.
Then we can read at the cafe.
Reading at a cafe is a vibe.
Kay, you always say a vibe.
Because it is true.
Okay, bookstore plan is good for rainy weather.
So we have plan A and plan B.
Plan A is park and night market.
Plan B is cafe, mall, and bookstore.
Perfect.
Kay, do you want to invite anyone else?
Maybe one more friend, but I like small groups.
Small groups are easier.
Yes, more talking, less noise.
If we invite someone, who?
Maybe Mia. She is fun and calm,
Mia is nice.
but she is often busy.
We can ask her.
Okay, I will message her.
What will you say?
Hi, Mia. Are you free this weekend? We are going to a cafe and the park on Saturday.
That is clear.
And I will add, you can join if you want.
Perfect.
If she says no, it is okay.
Yes, we respect her time.
Kay, do you like planning with lists?
Sometimes.
I love lists.
Really?
Yes, I write a small weekend list.
What is on your list?
Laundry, cleaning, groceries, and one fun thing.
That is a good balance.
What about you?
I just keep plans in my head.
That's risky.
Why?
Because you can forget.
True.
You should write at least 3 things.
Okay, I will write 3 things.
What are they?
Coffee with Bunie, buy a gift, and call my parents.
Perfect list.
Also yoga.
Yes, add yoga.
Okay, 4 things.
Great. Kay, what do you wear when you go out on weekends?
Simple clothes, a t-shirt and jeans.
And sneakers?
Yes, I like walking. Sneakers are best.
I wear a t-shirt too, and shorts if it's hot.
Bring a light jacket just in case.
Good idea.
Also bring water.
Yes, stay hydrated.
Kay, we sound like health coaches.
Weekend health coaches.
I like that.
Let's talk about money.
Okay,
How do we keep the weekend fun but not too expensive?
good question. I sometimes spend too much when I go out.
Me too.
What can we do?
We can set a simple budget.
Like how much?
For example, 500,000 VND for one day.
That sounds reasonable.
Coffee and breakfast, maybe 150,000.
Dinner and snacks, maybe 200,000.
Shopping is the big part.
Yes, shopping can be dangerous.
We can buy only what we need.
And one small want item,
Yes, one small treat.
like a sticker or a small keychain.
Or a cute cup.
Okay, one treat only.
Deal.
If we go to the park, it is free.
That helps a lot.
Yoga class might cost money.
True, but it is worth it.
Health is worth it.
Yes.
Bunie, do you like taking pictures when you go out?
Yes, I take pictures of food and places.
Do you post them?
Sometimes, not always.
I like taking pictures of the sky,
The sky is beautiful on weekends.
especially at sunset.
We can watch the sunset on Saturday.
Where?
Maybe by the lake.
That is romantic.
Not romantic, just peaceful.
Okay, peaceful.
Kay, you always make it romantic.
Sorry.
It is okay.
So after the night market, we can go to the lake for 10 minutes.
Only 10 minutes. Then we go home.
Deal.
I need enough sleep on weekends, too.
Yes, sleep is important.
If I sleep late, I feel bad on Monday.
Monday is already hard.
Yes, we need a good Sunday night.
So Sunday evening is calm, pizza, and a phone call.
That sounds perfect.
Bunie, what is your favorite thing about going out?
The feeling of change, new places, new air.
I like that too.
Even a small trip feels like a break.
Yes, you do not need to travel far.
Exactly.
Sometimes I just go to a new cafe in my city.
And it feels like a mini adventure.
Yes,
What about staying home? What do you like about that?
quiet, no traffic, no crowds.
And you can wear pajamas.
Yes,
Okay, we have both, going out and staying home.
balance again.
Kay, what if I feel lazy on Saturday morning?
Then we can change the plan.
How?
We can meet later, like 11 a.m.
Or we can meet on Sunday instead.
Yes, the plan is not a prison.
I like that phrase.
The plan is not a prison.
I will remember it.
Great.
Kay, can we practice some polite ways to say no?
Sure.
Like if someone invites me but I am tired.
Okay. You can say, thanks for inviting me, but I need to rest.
That is polite.
Or, sorry, I can't this time.
Simple.
Or, maybe next weekend.
Nice.
And if you want to say yes, you can say, sure, I'd love to.
Or that sounds great.
Perfect.
Kay, I feel excited now.
Me too.
I like having weekend plans.
Me too. It gives me something to look forward to.
Okay, I will message Mia now.
Great.
And I will prepare my laundry too.
And I'll think about the gift.
A notebook
Yes, a nice notebook.
with a simple cover.
And good paper.
Yes.
Bunie, one more question.
What?
What do you want to do next weekend?
Next weekend? Wow.
I like planning ahead.
Okay, next weekend, maybe a day trip to the beach.
That sounds amazing.
But let's enjoy this weekend first.
True, one weekend at a time.
Exactly.
So we meet Saturday at 10 a.m. at the cafe.
Yes, I will be there.
And if anything changes, we text.
Yes.
Okay, I'm ready for the weekend.
Me too.
Have a great Friday night.
You too. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.